Do you want to know how to generate money with PayPal in the simplest method possible? Simply follow step 1 and sign up for a platform that offers free PayPal cash codes. The second step is to complete some basic and easy activities on this site in question. Step 3 is to sit back and watch your money increase while you sleep. In today's video, I'm going to show you a fresh new approach and a brand new website that will earn you the fastest PayPal money you've ever had. However, the result isn't certain, and you could end up earning less or more. But I can assure you that if you don't follow the directions in this video, you will not be able to obtain similar results as for the rest of the group. As a result, make sure you watch the entire course to learn everything there is to know about this free internet money-making approach. Just before we dive into this brand new tutorial, please smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Allow me to demonstrate how much money I've made via PayPal as a result of this website. You too might earn this much money if you go to this platform and follow all of my instructions. Now this is the website that we'll be utilizing today, and I'll expose the platform's URL later, but let's talk about what it can accomplish for you right now. It's essentially a website where you can earn money online by taking surveys and redeeming cash and gift cards from the convenience of your own home. However, I'm going to show you how to make more money on our site in a variety of ways. And I'm not just going to show you how to make money by conducting surveys. I'm also going to show you how to make money in more productive ways on our platform today, so stay tuned for that. By the way, the name of this platform is PrizeRebel, and you can find it at PrizeRebel.com. I'd like you to create a free account on this website for the time being. In this section, by submitting your first and last name, email address, and password, you may establish an account. Then to formally begin creating your account, click the Start Making Money button below. On the other hand, you may utilize Facebook to join up for a platform today if you want a better sign-up experience. After you've done that, you'll be logged into your dashboard, which will look like this. And the first thing you'll need to do here is to start earning money is by going to the Offer Walls section right here. After that, you'll be directed to this website where you may find a variety of tasks and other information. But what I want to do first is to click the Categories button right here, and then select the free option from the drop-down menu. By doing so, you will not have to pay for anything because you will have already sorted out and made all of the products available for free. You may now get paid to do things like fill out surveys, claim free samples, and send emails, among other things. Having said that, there are literally tens of thousands of free things to do here. However, as I previously stated, performing these activities will not be our primary strategy on this platform today. So stay tuned to find out what I'm talking about, as it will certainly make you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars through your PayPal accounts. Returning to our list of stuff, one of the things I appreciate about this technique is that there are a lot of chores you can perform. You can really have an infinite amount of money and chances here because all you have to do is reload the page and new jobs will appear. Now it's time to move on to the contest section of this site, which you'll want to check out. To do so, go to the Win section of the website and then select Contest from the drop-down menu. This will take you to this page where you can sign up for a free contest for free. As you can see, they conduct a number of contests, including the Offer Roll contest, Surveys contest, and Referral contest, in which they award free points that may be redeemed for PayPal cash later on. Essentially, if you complete the majority of the activities in the Offer Roll section, such as responding to surveys, sending emails, and so on, you can win a spot in the leaderboards right here. If you are in the leaderboards, you'll be one of the winners who will receive bonus points for this contest, allowing you to earn more money on this platform. For example, by being the top rank of the leaderboards, this individual has earned 1,000 points. This number of points can then be converted into $50 in PayPal cash, which is a wonderful deal. Earning so many points though isn't difficult if you're committed to completing all of the tasks in the Offer Wall section. If you truly want to keep earning that extra $50 again and again, make sure you're on the leaderboards by completing all of the jobs listed in the offer walls. Now that you've made it this far, you might as well give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Returning to your dashboard, you must now click Win, and then choose Raffles from the drop-down menu. By doing so, you'll be directed to the platform's third location, where you can participate in daily raffles to win prizes. This is essentially free money, and you can earn $10, $5, $20, or even $50 gift cards as shown below. You may truly earn that extra money by participating in all of these raffles by pressing the Enter button immediately beside the offer. They also have upcoming raffles listed below, so enter them all to increase your chances of winning additional money on this site. However, the easiest approach to start making money on our site is to use your own referral link to ask others to join. To do so, you must click on the Invite category, then select the Earn with Referrals option from the drop-down menu. This will transport you to this page. It now says, Get referrals, tell your friends, family, and classmates about PrizeRebel. Now here is your unique referral link that you can share with other people. Now as your referrals earn points through your referral links, you will receive a 15% bonus income depending on their earnings, which is very powerful. In other words, if one of your referral earns $100, you may earn $15 only from that one person. That means that if you have 10 referrals, you may easily earn $150 in pure passive income. However, your referrals must also open an account on PrizeRebel.com. And after they have earned some money, you will receive 15% of whatever they earn. So it's basically a win-win situation where they can win some money and you will get a portion of their money as well. Now keep your eyes peeled because I'm going to introduce you to our second one-of-a-kind platform of the day that will help you to earn the most money online. This is webmasterson.com. And this is a website that is usual traffic source for our experienced online money makers. Now this website will help you gain thousands of people to click on your referral link. That being said, thousands of people have commented on how to make money online in this Make Money Online forum. For example, here you can discover solutions to questions about digital marketing, social media marketing, and other issues. However, you will need to comment on the thread of the post, and you will want to persuade the platform's million users to visit PrizeRebel.com, where they may make extra money cash online through the use of your special referral link. Finally, they will register as your referrals after they use your referral link, and you will start earning 15% of whatever they earn on this platform. And that sums up today's tutorial. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.